Time now for our stock of the hour. Fannie Mae holders didn't get the decision they were wanting at the Supreme Court today after the court decided the government was not required to share some of the big gains it reaped in the aftermath of the financial crisis. Dave Wilson breaks it down. Big moves in both stocks.
Oh, absolutely. Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. And bear in mind, they've been under a government conservatorship since 2008, controlled by the Federal Housing Finance Agency, the FHFA. So since 2012, they've been paying dividends to the Treasury based on their net worth. They changed the formula back then. So you had these hedge funds and other investors suing on two grounds. One is the 2012 amendment. They figured that there was no authority to do that. The Supreme Court rejected that claim. And then there's the second provision. When the FHFA was set up, basically the head of the agency could only be dismissed for cause. So the president didn't have the ability to change the person running that agency. Now, that was sent back to a lower court. The justices did say, though, that even if the hedge funds and others were to prevail, that it wouldn't overturn the formula by which Fannie and Freddie had been paying billions upon billions of dollars to the U.S. Treasury.
These are big hedge funds, too. Paulson and Company, Fairhome. Preferred equity holders are getting hit harder, right? So what's the reaction in the market?
Oh, I mean, it's really something, Shanali. You look at the common shares, they're down something on the order of 35%. But you're right, that the hedge fund managers and others, they're invested in preferred stock as well, maybe looking for a bit more in the way of dividends if their case went the way they had hoped. Those stocks down something like 65% in today's trading. So whether you own the common or the preferred, you definitely took a hit in response to the Supreme Court's decision.